name is Patricia Lowe, and I'm a certified health and wellness instructor and master line dance instructor. I'm certified in both areas. Movement and rhythm are powerful tools for self-discovery and mindfulness. Line dancing provides a pathway for women to strive personally and professionally by maintaining and improving their health. As women, we can cultivate holistic well-being through dance encompassing physical, mental, and spiritual dimensions. The combination of line dance and knowledge about nutrition is simply good medicine, and by including the health and wellness curriculum, women gain knowledge about themselves, their body, and the importance of diet and exercise. They ask questions, we have discussions, and then we take it to the dance floor. These conversations have broadened my interest to collaborate with women, providing these classes that will help support them mentally and physically. I want to continue teaching these classes to women to help improve their health and lifespan, especially those who are hesitant about attending classes because they don't have the money to pay for them. I want to offer free classes to all women. Being in line dance community and teaching at San Francisco General and Kaiser Oakland made me eager to work with women in the community, senior centers, and recreation facility. As a teacher, I have supported women with their first-time gym membership. Some were preparing for pre- and post-surgery. Some asked me to mentor them. Others asked me to just teach them line dance, and a few became instructors. 98% of the women in my classes are 57 and 92 years old. They perform with me at public and private events, which we have done 13 since December of 24. They look forward to Dance Day. By receiving this grant will allow me to share my passion for dance and wellness to help improve women's health. Thank you.